If you've ever been to Spain, particularly in the Basque region like San Sebastian, you would have tried tapas and pintxos, which are gorgeous little snacks that you have with your glass of wine or a beer. Now, one of the most famous ones would be a Pintxos Gilda, which usually consists of olives, so green olives, some form of pickled pepper, and anchovy. Now, I know a lot of people that don't like anchovy, so I have the perfect alternative using this Italian-style salami. It's all sliced up for you, so it's just really easy to assemble. I'm also going to give it one of my twists by adding some parmesan. It's the perfect mouthful. Now, we'll start with these small little skewers, and we'll add an olive. To that, we'll add one of our pickled peppers, and if they're too large, you can just cut them in half on an angle, fold it in half and thread it onto the toothpick. Now for the salami, I'm using Italian-style salami, and they are the perfect size for a Pintxos like this. They're not too thick, not too thin, and ideally what you want to do is fold it over and then thread that on just next to the pickled pepper. Now for some cheese, I'm using some parmesan, and then we finish off with a green olive. And you don't want to overload it, so that is the perfect little Pintxos right there. All of these flavours go so well together. The pickliness of the pepper, creaminess of the cheese, and then the savouriness and the fattiness of our delicious salami. This is a great little Pintxos to pass around when you're entertaining family and friends, and they taste even better with a cold glass of bubbles.